Hey guys, welcome to the April 15th lecture for Principles of Marketing. This week we are going to be looking at the first marketing mix element. It's the product. We're looking at chapter 10. Before I get too far into it, I hope you all had a great Easter and an Easter weekend, and a great Easter weekend. Um, we are off on Monday, even though I'm posting this early. Um, so officially, we will have our lecture on Wednesday, April 15th. But I'm posting this early because in addition to viewing this lecture, you also have a discussion board forum. It's a discussion question that is due by 11:59 on Wednesday, April 15th. It's on neuromarketing, and it's a TED Talks video that I want you to watch and then answer the questions and discuss. The initial response, again, is due by 11:59 um, on Wednesday, the 15th, and that will give you credit for attendance for Wednesday, and then you are to respond to two of your classmates' initial posts by Sunday at 11:59, and then that'll give you credit for attendance for Friday's class, um, which is April 17th. You can find this discussion board question in Module 4 at the end of the module. It'll say classroom attendance for the week of April 13th through April 19th, I believe. And click on that and you will have access to the link for the video, and also you can start responding to the questions. Um, let's take a look at the material that you'll be studying this week. It is chapter 10, and I'm going to share the slides for you guys. So chapter 10 is on product, branding, and packaging concepts. And the learning objectives, what we want to do is understand what the concept of a product is, discuss how products are classified, consumer products, business products, are they convenience products or are they large purchases? Explain the concepts of product line and product mix and understand how they are related. We're going to be looking at the product life cycle and its impact on marketing strategies, and you'll see some information on the product adoption process. Um, as we continue with our learning objectives, explain the major components of branding, including brand types, brand strategies, and brand protection. What is a brand? A brand is a thought in a consumer's mind about your company, about your product. Some interesting information on branding. Describe the major packaging functions, design considerations, and how packaging is used in marketing strategies. And finally, identify the functions of labeling and legal issues related to labeling. Just the first slide or two, what's a product? A product is a good, a service, an idea received in exchange, including supporting services such as installation and guarantees. A good is a tangible physical entity, but not all products are tangible. There are intangible products as well. These can be services. If you're a CPA, you provide tax services. If you're a psychologist, you provide counseling services. It could also be an idea, a concept, philosophy, image, or issue. Think Mothers Against Drunk Driving. That is an idea that is technically considered a product because information is spread out to the general public. Um, there are different elements of a product. There's the core product, supplemental features, maybe symbolic or experiential benefits. And your book gives you some really good information on that. And finally, we can classify products into consumer products or business products. Consumer products are purchased to satisfy personal and family needs. Business products are purchased to be used in the firm's operations. If it's like raw materials, if you're a furniture manufacturer, that would be maybe wood and cloth and steel. or maybe you're buying products to resell, or maybe you're buying products to make other products. So a bunch of different ways you can use products, but I want you to know the two broad classifications: consumer products versus business products. So a lot of good information in chapter 10. So please look at that information and locate the discussion board post. You don't have to email me certifying that you've seen this video. I hope you've watched this video, but I'll get your attention. I'll capture your attendance for Wednesday's class when you respond to the discussion post, the discussion board forum with your initial post. So as always, if you have any questions, reach out, email me, text me, call me. If not, I hope you have a great week. Stay safe and healthy, and I'll see you on the discussion boards. Take care, guys. Bye.